Hey guys, Jess here, and I wanted to actually show you how easy, how simple it is to make a digital product, or in this case, a presentation. So if you're unfamiliar, I have a whole channel where I teach potential Airbnb hosts or people who are interested in Airbnb hosting how to get started, how to make money, how to set up their accounts, tips, tricks, walkthroughs, tutorials, you name it. I teach it, okay? So whatever it is, when you're getting into selling digital products, courses, information, some type of expertise that you have, whatever niche or whatever industry you're going into, whoever your consumer is, guys, that all doesn't matter. Whatever it is, I could be teaching how to use a magnifying glass or how to go scuba diving or how to, make the perfect swing when I'm playing baseball. Whatever it is, you can utilize these tools, okay? So all that I'm doing here is, yes, I have the information. Yes, I'm actually an Airbnb superhost, but, I could go in here and I could type out everything, manually. I could do that, but it's going to take a little bit longer. So let me show you how to do something very, very simple. And you can create digital products. Guys, I've shown you on other videos how to create digital products doing the exact same thing. In this case, I'm creating a slideshow presentation so that I can actually go film myself just reading it through in a YouTube video. My face isn't even going to be in it. It's just going to be me presenting. Super, super simple. Okay, so all that I did, guys, is I asked, well, first I had it write me an article because I also have a blog. So I had it write an article, and then that was 3 tips to achieve Airbnb superhost status and 5-star reviews. So keeping it very simple, very short. And then I just said, turn it into a simplified presentation. So I'm using the same content that it gave me from all this, guys. Pretty simple, right? I'm using the same content. I just said, turn it into a simplified presentation. And here you have it. So I already started doing this, but again, I just wanted to record it to show you exactly how easy it is. So I'm just copying and pasting. So we did tip number 1, tip number 2. Now we're going over here to tip number 3, and I'm just going to copy, and I'm going to add a new page, and I'm going to paste. Okay, then I'm going to add a new page, and I'm going to go copy tip. Oh, I guess that's it. That's just 3 slides, or 5 slides, guys, or 6, I guess. So we'll do that. Literally, a lot of people overcomplicate this, or they don't know where to start, or they don't think that they can make something that's visually appealing. Okay, so let me show you how we're going to spice things up. So this is all using AI. Okay, so I did ChatGPT. That's all AI, artificial intelligence. And then I jumped into here. This website is called Typeset. So if you haven't used Typeset before, I'll try to put a link in the description, but or just go typeset.com. And this is how you basically set everything up. So let's say we want to make these a little bit more attractive or appealing, or just add in some photos. We're going to click on this wheel right here, and then you can see we've got a couple photo templates. So I don't know, let's just go with this one here. So there, it just kind of puts in a plugged in photo. And then what we can do here is we'll go to 1, and then you can see how it inserted a photo right there. Now, I don't want that one because this is about Airbnb, so I want to make it relevant to Airbnb. And again, guys, it uses AI to generate these. So we can pick a picture of a property. If I wanted to search houses, I could do something like that. We're going to choose this image here because it just has a picture of the Airbnb platform. And then you can keep doing that on each one. So let's say I had a photo in here. I want to go in and I want to change the format. So now that there's a picture in there, it gives me all these other format options for me to select from, right? So maybe I like this one a little better. We'll do that. Or if it says too much content, you can go change it. So maybe I like, I don't know, this one. That looks pretty good. So we'll just go with that. And then, guys, all you do is you just do that on each slide, and then it ends up looking nice and pretty. All right, so that's it. So that's how you create a presentation. It is that easy. I used AI, I used ChatGPT to generate it, and then all I did is copy and paste it. I put it in a typeset and it made it look pretty. Way easier than trying to create a slide and importing all your pictures and doing all that. Just use something where it literally just does it for you. Digital products, slides, presentations, for YouTube videos or anything else, this is what I use. So wanted to share that. And let me know if you guys have any questions or if you want to see any other videos. Just let me know. Like this video, subscribe to this channel where we can talk about how to grow some digital and affiliate marketing businesses together in 2025.